Dear students, a very good morning to all of you. Here I am Manjay Pramanik from KB CRPF Mokama Ghat. Last day we discussed about all important features of this chapter, and I gave some works also that was done by you very well. So thank you to all those students who replied me. Here you can see in this morning, here you can see some points. These points I would like to discuss with you in this class, because all these points here you can see, all these points are the main features of this chapter, the key point of this chapter. Those points should be kept in your mind. So here you can see the heading is keep in your mind. All these points should be kept in your mind, because all these points are the gist of this chapter. The key points through which to follow this, by following these key points, you can make your body healthy, you can make your body good. So let's start to discuss. Here you can see the first one is health is the true wealth. That sentence I mentioned in my first class of this chapter. So this sentence should be kept in your mind. Keep in your mind that health is the true wealth. आपके पास कुछ भी हो, आपके पास पैसा है, आपके पास बहुत अच्छा अच्छा खाना है, जो भी है, लेकिन आपका अगर हेल्थ नहीं सही है, आपका पेट दर्द कर रहा है, आपके दांत में प्रॉब्लम है, आपके घुटनों में प्रॉब्लम है, शरीर में कहीं भी कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो, तो आपके पास कुछ भी रहे वो बिल्कुल ज़ीरो है, आप खुश नहीं रह सकते हैं. दैट मीन्स हेल्थ इज़ द ट्रू वेल्थ. स्वास्थ्य हमारे लिए सबसे बड़ा क्या है? संपद है, रिसोर्स है, सबसे बड़ा साधन है. सो नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, ए हेल्दी बॉडी हेल्प्स अस टू वर्क एंड टू प्ले. अगर हमारा बॉडी हेल्दी रहे तो हमको वो बॉडी हमें हेल्प कर सकता है. कैसे? ना वर्क करने में और खेलने में. सो एवरीवन शुड टेक गुड केयर ऑफ हेल्थ. सो हर आदमी को, हर बंदे को ये ध्यान रखना चाहिए उनका हेल्थ अच्छा रहे. थर्ड वन इज टू स्टे हेल्दी वी मस्ट कीप आवर बॉडी क्लीन. दैट पॉइंट also discussed last classes, and that was cleanliness. Cleanliness is very necessary so that we can our body keep clean and healthy. So cleanliness is the point, that key point should be kept in your mind. We should do exercise also and take wholesome food. That means here about the exercise, importance of exercise, and I also discuss about the proper postures of sitting, standing and working also. And here suggested that take wholesome food. What is the meaning of wholesome food? Wholesome, that is good food for health. That means वो खाना जो स्वास्थ्य के लिए, that food that is good for health, that is called as wholesome food. You can say wholesome food also. So always you should take such type of food item, that is that those made by our mom, those cooked by our mom in our home. So such type of food item always good for our health. So this point also should be kept in your mind, and I hope you understand the matter in previous classes. Next one is proper rest and sleep. That is also necessary to keep the body fit. अगर हम रेस्ट नहीं लेंगे, अगर हम सोएंगे नहीं सही वक्त पर और सही वक्त पर नहीं उठ पाएंगे, तो हमारा शरीर जो है प्रॉपरली काम नहीं कर पाएगा, हमारे शरीर में एनर्जी कम हो जाएगा, हम फिट नहीं रह पाएंगे. लास्ट वन इज वी शुड मेंटेन क्लीनलीनेस ऑल अराउंड. सिर्फ अपना स्वास्थ्य और अपना शरीर को साफ सुथरा रखना ही हमारे लिए स्वास्थ्य विधि नहीं है. हमको ये भी ध्यान में रखना है कि हमारे आसपास भी साफ है या नहीं. सो नॉट ओनली फॉर योर बॉडी, क्लीनलीनेस इज वेरी नेसेसरी एंड नीडी थिंग, नीडी की पॉइंट that शुड बी फॉलोड बाय यू, एंड यू should be kept this point, that cleanliness not only for your body only, you have to clean your around area also, so your surrounding area also. So the key points of is good food, wholesome food, exercise, proper rest and sleeping, and cleanliness all around. All these key points you will try to keep in your mind and you will follow. So I think you understand this matter, these key points, and I hope you will follow all these key points so that you can keep your body healthy. Thank you.